Good afternoon. This is Jim Pro with our fourth day on our crop tour with Jim Goss with AG Farm Management. And a couple of things, we had a little technical difficulty with our morning video, so we're now shooting this right after lunch. But I'll give you a real rundown. We woke up this morning in Galena, about 68 degrees this morning, bright sunshine. We went south into Carroll County near Mount Carroll, and there was we jumped into a field at 30,000 population in 30-inch rows. It was wet but not muddy up there. It was corn following soybeans in some no-till. Good looking crop, not nearly as far along as this crop. It was at V9. So our second stop was south of Geneseo. We were also in another no-till farm, 33,000 at V6. This was corn following some soybeans. Also too, the corn was much farther behind than some corn just across the road. And I don't know, probably was a plant date issue. And that farm, interestingly enough, was at 12 inches since April 10th. So clearly they'd had plenty of rain in the last 60 days. That did not include whatever they got this week, which we're guessing anywhere from 2 to 3 inches on that farm. So they're also in good shape. Our third stop right before lunch, which was where we first shot the video, was near Galesburg. We were actually on the farm of Goss Pork. That's Jim's brother Bob, manages and farms that farm. That crop was similar in size to this one here that we're in currently. It was between V10 and V11. They had gotten 3.5 inches of rain this week. Last weekend, Bob said he was very concerned about lack of moisture in that area, and the crops really changed quite a bit. One of the things we noticed in that field, he did have a little bit of wind damage. It had already straightened up. Some of that corn was maybe going to be a little goosenecked at the bottom, but certainly going to be full potential even with that small issue. And that crop was following soybeans. So now we're in Stark County, Illinois, which is not too far from Peoria. This county, the last 3 years, is the best corn county in Illinois from a final yield standpoint. They're also, interesting enough, one of the counties in the northern half of the state that's the farthest behind in their average rain totals. They're 5 inches behind their 10-year average for rain to this date, year to date. This field's got 33,000 in it. Certainly got planted early. It's a V10. Now they have had rain this week. You don't notice any stress from being short rain, but I'm sure they were very thankful to get whatever rain they got this week. I don't have a total. Jim is going to put out some kind of follow-up on rain totals for some of these places we stopped, because there's going to be some that's certainly critical, and this would have been one of those that we might have wondered how good the crop looks. Still looks good. We've got a few more stops today, and then we'll do a wrap-up video at the end of today, and thanks for watching.